Okay, this is a short addendum on where I goofed up here. The reason it didn't work is because I copied the problem down wrong. The proof was to show that a to the n minus 3 to the n is 5a, and so this assumption is bogus. I wrote down a to the k minus 5 to the k, and that should have been a to the k minus 3 to the k. And with that change, the rest of this falls out very nicely. So what we need to show is that a to the k plus 1 is equal to 3 to the k plus, or minus 3 to the k plus 1 is equal to 5 times some quantity. And it goes fairly nicely. Again, I would break up this as 5 times 8 to the k plus 3 times 8 to the k, and I would write this as 3 times 3 to the k. So just to make sure that makes sense, notice that I've got 8 of these, so that's 8 times 8 to the k. 8 to the first times 8 to the k is 8 to the k plus 1, so that's okay. And this is 3 to the first times 3 to the k, so that's 3 to the k plus 1, and so that also makes sense. Once you write it that way, then it falls out pretty quickly. This is 5 times a to the k. That obviously has a factor of 5 in it. I'll take the 3 out here. This leaves me 8 to the k minus 3 to the k. And we know from our assumption that 8 to the k minus 3 to the k is 5 times a. So I have 5 times 8 to the k plus 3 times 5 times a. This was my goof up. And so now finally you can factor out the common factor of 5. So I have 8 to the k plus 3 times a. And so now just call that bracket quantity b. And so that's 5 times b, which is what we were trying to show. Okay, so all of these are legitimate steps, and we did show what we were supposed to show. Okay, so QED. Sorry about the misread before, and sorry about the extra 2.5 minutes.